Cosmic 1.7 is already here, and System 76 is continuing to improve its Rust-based Linux desktop at a surprisingly fast pace. Coming just 1 week after Cosmic 1.6, this is a smaller update, but it brings several useful improvements to Cosmic Files, Cosmic Edit, the compositor settings, and even remote desktop support. One of the biggest improvements is in the Cosmic Compositor. Scalable cursors should now remain sharp instead of becoming blurry when you increase their size. Zoom accessibility has also been improved, allowing the zoom level to increase with every key press. Cosmic can now even magnify the cursor when you shake it, making it easier to find on large or multi-monitor setups. Cosmic Files also gets some welcome upgrades. You can now rename the favorites section in the sidebar. File names are better aligned in grid view, and the open with dialog can search for installed applications. Network browsing has also been improved. Users can navigate directly to a network location from anywhere in the file manager, while network file system browsing should feel faster and more responsive. Cosmic Edit receives a few small but sensible usability fixes. When closing tabs, the editor will only switch to another tab if the currently active tab was actually closed. The cut and copy menu options are also disabled when no text is selected, making the interface behave more consistently. The Cosmic Greeter has been improved too. Login can now continue when PAM returns a non-fatal error instead of unnecessarily blocking the login process. Cosmic settings now includes back navigation on the Bluetooth page when multiple Bluetooth adapters are available. It can also restore a monitor's refresh rate to its default value when displays are being moved or rearranged. Meanwhile, the Cosmic Settings daemon will no longer show low battery warnings on desktop systems that don't even have a battery. There are plenty of smaller improvements as well. The Start Cosmic script is now compatible with POSIX SH, removing its dependency on Bash. Several Cosmic panel crashes have been fixed, new Cosmic logo and pattern wallpapers have been added, and perhaps most interestingly, a remote desktop portal has been implemented. This can allow tools such as Steam input to control keyboard and mouse input through the desktop. Cosmic 1.7 may not be a massive feature release, but it shows how quickly System 76 is polishing the desktop. Better accessibility, improved networking, cleaner app behavior, fewer crashes, and remote desktop groundwork all make Cosmic feel increasingly mature. If you're already using Cosmic, keep an eye on your Linux distribution's repositories for the 1.7 update. And if System 76 keeps releasing improvements at this pace, Cosmic could become an increasingly serious alternative to GNOME and KDE. What do you think about Cosmic 1.7? Would you use Cosmic as your main Linux desktop? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more Linux news and updates.